Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a wise and gentle grandma named Grandma Hazel. She was known far and wide for her magical tales that not only entertained, but also imparted valuable lessons to the village children. One sunny afternoon, a group of curious kids gathered around Grandma Hazel's rocking chair, eager to hear a new tale. Grandma Hazel smiled warmly at them and began her story. Once in the heart of the enchanted forest, there was a little squirrel named Nutty. Nutty was full of energy and loved to play with his friends, but he had a tiny problem. He was forgetful. One day, Nutty forgot where he had hidden his acorns for the winter. The poor little squirrel was in distress, as those acorns were his only food supply for the cold months ahead. The children listened attentively as Grandma Hazel continued. Now, in the same forest, there lived a wise old owl named Oliver. Oliver was known for his sharp memory and clever solutions to problems. When he heard about Nutty's predicament, he decided to help. Oliver gathered all the woodland creatures and organized a community event to find Nutty's lost acorns. Birds, rabbits, and even a wise tortoise named Tim joined the search. They all worked together, each using their unique skills to search every nook and cranny of the forest. Grandma Hazel paused for a moment, her eyes twinkling with excitement. As they were searching, they discovered that teamwork and collaboration made the task much easier. The birds flew high to spot acorns from above. The rabbits scurried through the bushes. And Tim the tortoise carefully checked the ground. It was a true example of unity in diversity. The woodland creatures didn't give up. And finally, after much effort, they found Nutty's acorns hidden under a pile of colorful leaves. Nutty was overjoyed and grateful to his friends, and especially to Oliver, the wise old owl. Grandma Hazel looked at the children with a gleam in her eyes. Now, my dear children, the moral of this tale is that when we work together and combine our unique strengths, we can overcome any challenge. Just like the animals in the enchanted forest, we should appreciate our differences and help one another. Remember, the power of unity can turn a difficult task into a joyful adventure. The children clapped and thanked Grandma Hazel for another wonderful tale. As they dispersed, they carried with them not only the enchanting story of Nutty and his lost acorns, but also the valuable lesson of teamwork and unity. And so, Grandma Hazel's tales continued to weave magic and wisdom into the hearts of the village children, leaving them with smiles and a newfound appreciation for the strength that lies in togetherness.
Hey, awesome kids! Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a chance to learn and grow with us. Let's explore, discover, and learn together. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching!